Saving money at the post office can be a smart and convenient way to build up your savings, especially if you prefer to have a physical place to store your funds. Many post offices offer savings accounts or programs that are safe and easy to use. One option is opening a postal savings account where you can deposit money regularly and earn interest over time. These accounts are more often accessible than traditional bank accounts, and they usually don't require a large initial deposit. Another way to save money at the post office is by using a postal savings bond. These bonds are a low risk investment and can be a good option for those looking to save money for the long term. They accumulate interest and you can redeem them after a set period. While they're not as liquid as a savings account, they offer a secure way to grow your savings. Now, if you don't want to open an account, the post office offers convenient services like money orders, which you can use to send money securely. By setting aside a certain amount of cash each time you purchase a money order, you can gradually save without the temptation to spend. All right? Incorporating the post office into your savings plan can provide a simple and reliable way to manage your money and work towards your financial goals. Let me know if this helped.